Morning everybody, welcome to my Canine Clinic channel. Today I want to explain you about deworming and vaccination in dogs and what are the different products we have to use and what are the dosages of different drugs and uh, uh, and how to use them, what are the advantages and disadvantages of different brands, so that you can get information on deworming and vaccination, and you can use the drugs at your owner level itself. You can use them. First I will take up deworming. Every dog at the age of 30 days, a puppy at the age of puppy should be dewormed at the age of 30 days, and from 30 days to 90 days you have to deworm every 15 days. That is a regular schedule. From 30 days to after 90 days up to 6 months. That means from 3 months to 6 months you have to deworming at every month, and after 6 months the dog should be dewormed every 3 months throughout its life. This is the standard deworming schedule. I will be giving in the text form also. Definitely you note down and you have to follow it. Because of regular deworming, you can maintain the health of the dog very well, because the dogs, if you don't deworm regularly, the puppies or dogs gets pot belly appearance, and they will undergo severe anemia and growth will be affected. So you have to use deworming regularly as per the instructions of the veterinarian. It's a mandatory for every owner, and I will inform you the different drugs also for that. So there are several drugs. Easy Pet, every one tablet for 10 kg body weight, and there are Q-Off tablets are there from Savavet company, and in that Q-Off XL is also there. That is for one tablet for every 30 to 35 kg body weight. And there are other tablets like Skyworm tablets, Drontal Plus from Bayer company. That is also very fine company, Drontal Plus. There are several. Orex, there is another company, Scientific Remedies. Orex is there. That Orex is also, in that also you have got Orex XL is also there. So these normal tablets are dosage is 1 tablet for 10 kg body weight, whereas XL is 1 tablet for 35 kg body weight. Suppose if you take up hookworms, if a dog is suffering from hookworms, you have to give levimazole hydrochloride tablet. They come under the brand name of Decaris and Dewormis. They are in two forms, 50 mg and 150 mg. Suppose if your pet is at around 10 kg body weight, you have to give 50 mg tablet. But you be careful, please note that if you give for 10 kg body weight a tablet of 150 mg, that will be toxic, and there is every chance of killing your own pet. So be careful while using the levimazole tablet. The margin of safety is very less, because if you exceed 2.5 times the normal dose, the dog you are going to kill your own pet. So without the advice of veterinarian, don't go for a levimazole usage of levimazole tablets. That is my sincere request. You can go for other tablets which I have told all you already, like Easy Pet, Drontal Plus, Q-Off tablets, Q-Off XL, Skyworm. You can use all the tablets without any danger, because the margin of safety for them is very high. Up to 10 times you can give dosage, you don't have any problem for these tablets. So be careful about Decaris and Dewormis, that is containing levimazole hydrochloride. That is information I want to give regarding the deworming. So I will give in the form of text also. Please note it down and follow it regularly. That will be very much useful for you. Now next we will move to the vaccination schedule. For vaccination, I recommend you always the MSD company, that is Intervet, called Intervet in India. This is the company which follows very good cold chain, will be very much maintained. Since 25 years I am using this product, this vaccine in my clinic, and I don't have any single case of outbreak of disease. So I am recommending you this brand. Don't think that I am recommending due to some other reasons. Don't misunderstand me in that way. This the brand is Nobivac DHPPI and Nobivac Lepto. For puppies of 6 weeks, you have to give the first shot. By 9th week, you have to give the second shot. That is Nobivac DHPPI plus Lepto. By 12th week, you have to give the Nobivac DHPPI plus Lepto plus anti-rabies. After 90 days only, you have to give the anti-rabies. So at 4th week, you can give the kennel cough vaccine between 4 to 5 weeks. Again, after 90 days or 120 days, you can go for the corona vaccine. This corona vaccine is unlike humans, this causes gastroenteritis in dogs. Whereas in humans, our human corona causes respiratory infection, respiratory symptoms. Whereas dog's corona is different. Dog's corona causes gastroenteritis. So this corona vaccine is I feel it is a optional vaccine. If you like, if the dog is very worthy and if you purchase at a high cost, you can go for corona vaccine. But the mandatory vaccines which I want to suggest you is Novavax DHPPI plus Lepto and Novavax R. You have to give at the time of 6th week, 9th week, 12th week. Please note that the 6th, 9th, 12th, this is the simplest form of vaccination schedule. You can remember very easily. That's why I have simplified it and presenting to you in this video. So, if you follow this vaccination schedule and deworming schedule regularly, 90% of the diseases you can avoid, because this definitely saves your pet and provides better growth and better health to your pet. And I request you all to follow this deworming and vaccination schedule. If you have any queries, if you have any doubts, kindly mark your comments in the comment section so that I can answer you and clear your doubts. So, if you like this video, kindly share it, subscribe it and press bell icon so that you can get the next notifications. So, thank you very much. We will meet again in the next video.